Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into ThriveCart detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL for ThriveCart. Press enter to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your email address in the designated field. Make sure to double-check your email for any typos. Next, enter your password in the password field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password if needed. Once you have entered your email and password, click on the Login button. You may be prompted to complete a CAPTCHA for security reasons. If prompted, follow the instructions to complete the CAPTCHA. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to your ThriveCart dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and features available. If you encounter any issues, check your email and password for accuracy. For additional help, refer to ThriveCart's support resources. You are now successfully logged into ThriveCart. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.